Nandito kami ulit sa labas at nag-shopping ang kumari ko, Luke. Actually guys, naiwan niya yung payong dito. Yun ang sadya niya. At saka yung nabili niya. Ay, ang ingay ng anak ko. Ay, kiss mo sila. Oh, ano sa kilikili mo? Oo. So, naiwanan yung kanyang payong dito. Naalala nyo, nag-dinner date kami. Birthday dinner date sa bahay ng biyenan ko. Tapos, bago sila napunta sa bahay, dumaan sila dito sa Kling at bumili ng damit. Maliit sa kumari ko yung nabili niya. So, binalikan namin. At the same time, binalikan yung payong na naiwan. So, ngayon, naghahanap kami ng damit. Parang type ko tong red para sa Pasko. Okay? Try natin, guys. Eto. Hindi. Wala akong assistant, guys. Oy. So, susukatin ko, guys. Ayan. Pero bet ko to. You want, baby? You want to remove your jacket?
Yes, it's
Okay.
so hot.
Okay. It's so hot daw. Guys, andito na kami sa bahay pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon after naming namili ng damit. Nakabili pala ako ng damit, guys. Ayan, oh. Look. Ito nabili ko. It's summer. I know. Pang winter siya, guys. Yan, oh. Paano ko ba, ano? Yan, guys. So,
Hello.
yan. Dress siya. Pang winter.
Hello.
7 euros lang kasi siya. Ang mura lang niya, guys. Na-fit ko na siya. Sakto sa akin. Yan na ako, guys. Ang sexy ko. So, andito na kami sa bahay. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog na, guys. Kasi nag-low-bat, nag-dead-bat na ako. Tapos, guys, nagkita kami ng biyenan ko doon sa shop na yon kung saan kami nakabili. Ito yun, no, sa Lava Pies. Ayan. Kita kami doon. Nagbanggit may pansit pa daw siya. Ayun, nakikain kami ng pansit at empanada ulit. Ayun, yun na yung dinner namin. Si Carissa hindi kumain, kaya siya na lang nilutuan ko pagdating sa bahay. So, baby, pakita mo na yung dinner mo. What's your dinner?
Sopas.
Sopas
Fish.
and fish. What's the name of your fish?
Alex.
Salmon. What's the name of your fish? Salmon. Sabihin mo, salmon. Guys, let's eat salmon.
What's like that? This.
Salmon. It's salmon. Salmon. Ang hilig niya talaga dyan sa sopas, guys. Oh.
Favorite niya.
Favorite niya yan. Dati, guys, sinahaluan ko yan ng gulay. Yung dinudurog ko, pinupuri, niliquidize ko. Nalalaman niya kapag may halo. Alam niya.
Dito sa sopas na ito.
Oo. Kaya next, nung one day, sabi niya, Mami, quiero sopas, no pure. Sabi niya sa kung na-recognize pala ng anak ko na iba na lasa. So, ayan. Antayin ko na lang si Carissa matapos mag-dinner.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think I have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my this beautiful day, and you're smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so right. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go.
Guys, may papakita ako. Yan. Yan. Ready na yung celery for tomorrow. Ayan, kadami-dami. Ayan. Tapos madahon yung celery, guys. Pero yung dahon, hahalo namin yan sa pansit. Haluan namin to ng apple and carrots. Masarap siya, guys. Okay. So, yun lang, guys. Yun lang ang kwento ko, guys. Tapos, guys, ito yung binigay na bulaklak ni Frenny Lim. O, yan o. Isa pa lang yung nagsibol. Ito yung nag-blossom, guys. Tapos, ngayon, bumuka na yung isa. Tapos, merong isa about to open na rin.
Look.
Look daw, look. Tapos, ito, nag-survive. Tatanggalin ko na yung sira at isi-save ko yung okay pa. Yun ang ititira natin. Okay.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun.
Ito na lang yung na-save. Merienda namin to. Hindi na ubos kasi lumabas kami kanina kasama kumari ko nagmamadali. So, i-almusal ko na lang yan tomorrow. I-heat ko na lang ulit. I-fry ko ulit or painitin ko na lang sa microwave. And then, look at my baby. That's all for today, guys. I would like to say bye-bye for now. See you on our next vlog. Mwah.